Stop grilling ribs the old way. I used to spend hours hovering over a hot grill only to end up with tough, chewy meat. Then, I discovered this air fryer foil trick, and honestly, I will never go back. Today, I'm showing you how to make fall off the bone ribs with a sticky teriyaki glaze right in your air fryer in under an hour. No grill, no mess, no babysitting. Step 1. Prep. You'll need about 1 pound of baby back ribs. First things first, flip your rack bone side up and peel off that thin membrane on the back. I'm not gonna lie, this step is a little annoying, but it makes a huge difference. Your spices will actually penetrate the meat instead of just sitting on that rubbery layer. Now season generously on both sides. Salt first, then the Italian herbs, cracked black pepper, and finish with that gorgeous smoked paprika. Use your hands to really massage those spices into every part of the meat. You want full coverage, no pale spots. That's your flavour foundation right there. Step 2. The foil wrap. This is the secret. Lay a sheet of parchment paper flat, place your seasoned ribs right in the centre and fold it up into a tight parcel. Then wrap the whole thing in a layer of aluminium foil. Why both layers? The parchment protects the meat from direct heat, and the foil traps steam inside. That steam is what makes the ribs insanely tender. It's basically a mini pressure environment inside your air fryer. Place your wrapped ribs into the air fryer basket. Set the temperature to 356 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 50 minutes. Yes, 50 minutes. Don't rush this. Low and slow is what gives you that buttery texture. Step 3. The caramel glaze. While those ribs are working their magic in the air fryer, let's make the sauce. Grab a small bowl and add your teriyaki sauce, yellow mustard, ketchup, and a drizzle of honey. Stir everything together until it's completely smooth and turns this beautiful deep caramel colour. Oh man, just the smell of this sauce alone is enough to drive you crazy. Hey, do you prefer your ribs saucier or more dry rub style? Drop your answer in the comments below. I read every single one. Step 4. The finishing cook. Once your 50 minutes are up, carefully remove the ribs from the air fryer. Unwrap the foil and parchment. Be careful, there's a lot of hot steam in there. Look at that colour already. Beautiful. Now grab your brush and coat every single surface of those ribs with that gorgeous glaze. Don't be shy, really get in there. Set your air fryer to 356 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for another 6 minutes. We lower the temperature this time so the glaze caramelizes slowly. It'll turn glossy and sticky without burning. That lacquered finish is everything. While you wait, here's a pro tip. If you have any leftover glaze, warm it slightly and serve it on the side as a dipping sauce. Your guests will think you trained at a restaurant, I kid you not. And just like that, we're done. Transfer the ribs to a cutting board and slice between each bone. Arrange your ribs on a plate and finish with a sprinkle of white sesame seeds. That tiny detail adds a little nutty crunch and makes everything look absolutely stunning. We eat with our eyes first, right? Look at the colour on these ribs, that deep mahogany glaze, the juices glistening, the sesame on top. Honestly, this looks like something you'd order at a fancy barbecue joint, but you made it at home, in your air fryer. Now let me ask you something. What's the hardest part about cooking ribs for you? Is it the prep, the timing, or getting that perfect glaze? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. If this recipe made your mouth water, hit that like button. It really helps me out more than you know. Subscribe so you never miss a new tip, and check out my last video right over here. I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking, everyone!